2.1. Integrating speaking into all lessons.
How do you get your learners speaking English in every class?
That can be a really difficult challenge because learners are often shy and they worry a lot about making mistakes. Speaking is probably one of the hardest skills for learners.
How do you help them with that?
Well, firstly, I think it's important to know your learners and find out what they are interested in and why they are learning English. Then you can bring in interesting topics to the classroom which you know they will enjoy talking about. Another thing I do is I try not to interrupt them or correct them immediately. I try to create a safe atmosphere in my class so that learners feel happier about speaking. I also praise them and encourage them and smile at them when they make an effort to communicate in English. I also find that if I put learners into groups and pairs, they will be less shy and speak more. Finally, I think it's important to be really patient. If I can speak less and be patient enough to let them respond, then it's better. The more you involve your learners, the more motivated they will be.
What's your favorite activity for getting learners speaking in every class?
Well, I think a really great way is to start the class with a warmer. This creates a fun atmosphere in the class and is a great opportunity to give learners freer speaking practice.
Could you tell us what you mean by a warmer?
Yeah, sure. A warmer is an activity or game at the start of the class to warm up the learners, to get them more relaxed and ready to learn. It tends to be a short, dynamic activity. Warmers can often introduce a topic or recycle some previously learned language in an enjoyable way.
What's your favorite warmer then?
One I really like and find that learners of all ages love is called Backs to the Board.
Can you explain to us how to do it?
Yes, I think so. You need to divide the class into two groups. Group A sits in a line with their backs to the board. Group B sits face to face with them so that they are in AB pairs. Then I write a word on the board that only Group B can see. I usually choose words we have been studying recently. Now, the Group B learners have to explain the word to their partner A, but they mustn't use their hands and they must only use English. The first learner from Group A to guess the word must put their hand up. They get a point for the right answer. Then we repeat the game again. After a few goes, A's and B's swap roles. The learners get really excited and competitive. Sometimes they don't want to stop playing.
Thanks, Midori. That sounds like a really fun game.
Unit 3, 3.1. Strong and weak forms.
Are you going to the party on Saturday?
Yes, I am. I'm really looking forward to it.
What are you thinking of wearing?
I'm going to wear my new blue dress.
Conversation 2.
What do you think you'll be doing this time next year?
Oh, I don't know. I'll probably still be learning English. I won't be working at the same school, though, because I'm moving house next month.
What will you do then?
Hopefully, I'll get a job at a school nearby.